Welcome. This is a video that will guide the process in requesting a book through FSU Libraries' online catalog. To begin, visit the library's website, lib.fsu.edu. Using the main One search in the center of the home page, type in your book of interest or query. Once you've found an item that you're interested in, you will need to sign in before you can request it. You can sign in at the top right corner or within the item itself. Once signed in, you can request this material for pickup. There will be various options for pickup depending on your status: undergraduate, graduate, staff, faculty, or Florida borrower. All FSU students, staff, and faculty at the Tallahassee campus are able to pick up materials at Stroger Library, Direct Science Library, FAMU FSU Engineering Library, and the Ladd's Lockers. All students, staff, and faculty at the Panama City campus can have their materials sent to the James T. Cook Library and Learning Center. In addition to those options, graduate students, staff, and faculty can also have their materials sent to the FSU Ringling Museum, the Allen Music Library, FSU Medical Library, and the FSU Law Library. As a graduate student, teaching assistant, faculty, or staff member, if you are registered with our Library Express delivery service, one of your pickup locations will also be your departmental office. You may choose Library Express delivery to have your materials delivered. All students, staff, and faculty in the athletics department can also select Library Express delivery to have their materials sent to the Moore Athletic Center in Doak Campbell Stadium. If you'd like to use our curbside pickup service, please choose Stroger Library as your pickup location. When arriving at our pickup spot, please call the number on the sign. After choosing your location, you're able to add any notes in the special instructions section of the request. You can also see the terms of use, which shows how many days you will be allowed to have the material. Choose Send Request and your request is complete. Please allow staff up to 48 hours to process your requests. You will get an email when your materials are ready for pickup and requests are held for 7 days. To see your request, loans, and account information, you can view your account in the top right-hand corner. From here you can see all the books you've requested, materials currently checked out and their due dates, and check on the current status of your requests or even delete requests you no longer need. If you have any questions or need further assistance requesting materials, please feel free to reach out to us at 850-644-2706 or using the Ask Us chat. And this concludes our guide requesting books through FSU Libraries' online catalog.